So we're gonna start, we're gonna do 2 letters each time for now. We'll see how many, if we need to add some. We're gonna do 2 letters. That gives us 6 words to talk about and to maybe some new ones to learn. So we're gonna start with A. Okay, here's A. Hopefully you can see that. It's not too glared. So A, our words are activity, athletic, and this is a big one right here, anticipation. Activity, athletic, anticipation. I want you guys to repeat after me. Ready? Activity, athletic, anticipation. All right, so let's go through those words. Okay, activity. That's probably one that you know. We do activities all day long. You might do a math activity. You might do a exercise activity. In PE, we do lots of activities, okay? And it's basically just a thing that a person or a group does, right? Depending on what the activity is, sometimes our activities are really calm and slow, like stretching and things like that. Sometimes our activities might be really fast and busy, like we do in PE. So that's activity, okay? Athletic. I bet you hear the word athlete in that word, okay? So an athlete, what do you think of when you think of what an athlete is? Just think about that for a sec. So an athlete might be somebody who's good at sports, you might think. An athlete might be somebody who's strong, somebody who's fit, okay? That's a pretty good example of what the word athletic means, okay? Just physically strong and fit, okay? And then our last one, this big word, anticipation. Anybody know what that word means? Anticipation. So when you anticipate something, it means that you are sort of predicting, like when you're in your reading class, you might have to predict what's going to happen in a story. Well, it's the same thing. So anticipation in PE or in sports just means that you might know what your opponent's going to do before they do it. That's having good anticipation, knowing where they're going to hit the ball next, being able to tell what they're, the way they're looking or the way they have their hand. It helps you anticipate what's going to happen next. So it's really good to have good anticipation when it comes to PE and sports. Okay, moving on. The letter what? What is it, everybody? The letter B. That's right. So we've got 3 words for B. Now these are a little bit easier words. I'm actually going to have you guys act these out because I think you already know them. So number 1, you think you know what that is? What is that word? That is balance. Balance. Can everybody get up right now if you're not already standing up? Go ahead and get up. I want you to balance on 1 foot. Balance on 1 foot. I'm going to see how long you can hold that balance. All right. Remember, sometimes we put our hands out to the side when we balance on 1 foot to help us keep our balance. Okay. All right. If you're still balancing, I want you to go to your other foot. Put your other foot down, lift up that other foot. We're going to balance on the other one. Keep balancing. How long can you do it? Don't let that toe hit the ground. All right, let's see if you can do it for 5 more seconds. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. All right, the next word, let's see if you can see that one. Think you know what that one is? So we got an OU in there. Bounce. Bounce. All right, so everybody right now, I want you to stand up if you're not. If you're sitting down again, get up. I want you to bounce 10 times, up and down, bounce like a little kangaroo, little bunny rabbit. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wish I could see you guys doing it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. So bounce, just to go up and down. All right, and then the last one we have here, I bet you know what this word is. Okay, I want you to look at the word, look at this picture. Remember, we can use pictures to help us as clues. So, you think you got it? Starts with B. Let's see. Basketball. Basketball. How many of you guys like to play basketball? It's a good one. Now, I'm assuming you don't have a basketball right now, but I want you to practice your best basketball moves. Go ahead and show me all your tricks. Dribbling, between the legs, okay, have a shot. All right, very good. So we got balance, bounce, and basketball. Very good. All right, guys, so that's our vocabulary for today.